Welcome to the ninth and final episode of our Toolpool series on improving agility. In last episode, we covered locate and ideate phase of the project. In this episode, we'll cover the last step, which is transformation.
We recommend rich framework to drive transformation. Remember, transformation is a journey and not the switch. You need to be patient enough to yield the results and believe in your efforts. Overall, the transformation journey covers four actions: check readiness, implement, coach, and hone. So let's understand what to check in the readiness phase. This is the phase where you actually understand and debate the reactions you may get after launching the program. Will seniors really involve people? Will teams really speak? Do we really understand what is customer focus and changing needs? What's important to the management? Discomfort of change or winning customers? Will people understand new structures? Do we have required capabilities in all areas? This question sounds simple, but really critical, and they decide the communication approach you will actually take. Once you are clear with your communication approach, move to implementation phase. What you do here? Start doing rollout of enrollment workshops. Explain people new structures, the way we expect them to work, different Scrum events and tools. Simple, plain vanilla workshops. Remember not to create much hypes of transformation. Keep it simple to avoid unnecessary resistance. Done with enrollment workshops? Enjoy the show. Now is the time for you to come on toes. Remember, success is an iterative process. Keep faith but observe closely. Identify challenges faced by your team. Coach them to improve the journey. And as required, keep on launching training programs to ensure higher understanding of the concepts.
Last but not the least, remember you are not selling toolkit to your people, but making them more agile and changing their mindset. Don't rush. Yes, you want your organization to be quick and flexible, but understand it's a mindset you are trying to change which is created over years. Help them, work with them, mentor them. Keep promoting why and not just how. Ultimately, it's the purpose and results which will motivate people to walk the path. With this, I am concluding this Toolpool series on improving agility and hoping that it turns out to be useful. Feel free to write to us if you have any questions or need copy of our toolkit. Thank you once again and enjoy improving agility.